All right, fellas, listen up. This is for every guy who's ever wondered how to make a woman truly miss him, even if she's acting distant or seems uninterested right now. You might think it's impossible, but trust me, there's a formula to it. And it's not about playing games, it's about understanding what really works. You want a woman to miss you so much, even if right now she's not really showing interest. I got you. Here's how you flip the script. Get into her head and have her checking her phone wondering where you went. It's about creating a sense of curiosity and anticipation, so she starts to crave your presence instead of taking it for granted. Number 1, stop being so available. This is the biggest mistake most guys make. If you're always there, always responding, always ready to drop everything for her, she'll never get the chance to actually miss you. I know when you like someone, you want to text her all the time, right? But let me tell you, if you're always there, she's got nothing to miss. It's natural to want to connect, but if you're constantly available, you become predictable, and predictability kills excitement. Give her a little space. Don't reply instantly to every message. Let her wonder what you're up to. Take your time before responding, and don't be afraid to let a conversation pause for a bit. This gives her the chance to think about you and wonder what's going on in your world. A little mystery goes a long way. When you're not an open book, she'll start to fill in the blanks herself, and that's when you become intriguing. Let her imagination do some of the work. Next, focus on your own life. This is huge. Don't make her the center of your universe. Instead, invest in yourself and your goals. Hit the gym, hang with your boys, pick up a hobby. Do things that make you happy and fulfilled, whether she's around or not. When you're genuinely enjoying your life, it shows, and it's incredibly attractive. When you're busy, you're interesting. You become the guy who has his own thing going on, and that's the kind of man women want to be around. She'll start to notice that you're not just waiting around for her, and that's when she'll start to wonder what she's missing out on. When she sees you have things going on, she'll start thinking about you. Trust me, confidence is magnetic. The more you invest in yourself, the more she'll want to be a part of your world. If you show that you're happy and fulfilled, whether she's there or not, she's going to want in. People are drawn to those who radiate positivity and self-assurance. You become the prize, not the pursuer. Now, when you do talk to her, make it count. Don't waste her time, or yours, with boring, forgettable conversations. Don't just send, "hey," or boring small talk. Make her laugh. Tease her a little. Show her you're playful and confident, not just another guy trying to impress her. Drop a compliment that feels genuine, not cheesy. Notice something unique about her and mention it. Authenticity stands out. Leave her smiling at her screen, replaying your words in her mind. When you make her feel good, she'll start to associate those positive feelings with you. This is how you stand out from every other guy sliding into her DMs. Most guys are forgettable. Be the one she remembers. Here's another one. Create some inside jokes or little shared secrets. These are the things that make your connection unique. When you give her something that only you two share, it makes her feel special. It's like you're building your own little world together, and she'll want to come back to it. She'll start to miss those moments, even if she doesn't realize it yet. The more unique memories you create, the more she'll crave your presence. And fellas, don't be afraid to end the conversation first. It's powerful to show that you have things to do and aren't just waiting around. If things are going well, say you gotta run, but you'll talk later. Leave her with a sense of anticipation for the next time you connect. Leave her wanting more, not getting bored. The best conversations end with her wishing they could go on longer. That's how you stay on her mind. One last thing, don't chase. If she's not matching your energy, don't try to force it. If she's pulling back, match her energy. Work on yourself. Use that time to level up, whether it's your fitness, your career, or your mindset. The more you grow, the more attractive you become, not just to her, but to everyone. When she feels you slipping away, that's when she's going to start missing you like crazy. She'll notice your absence and start to wonder what you're up to and why you're not chasing her like everyone else. It's all about balance, confidence, and not being afraid to walk away if she's not giving you what you deserve. Remember, you set the standard for how you want to be treated. So remember, be less available. Build your own life. Make every interaction count. Create inside jokes and stop chasing. These are the keys to making her miss you and value your presence. Do these things and watch how fast she starts to wonder where you are, what you're doing, and why you're not texting her first. You got this. The right woman will notice your value and start to chase you. Stay confident, stay cool, and let her miss you. Remember, you're the catch. Never forget that. If you want more real advice like this, hit that subscribe button. Catch you next time, and keep leveling up.